Welcome to wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. In a kids party, the different types of foods available are shown in the table below. How many meal combinations are possible if one item is taken from each type? For example, hot and sour soup, pizza, juice is one combination. Okay. So for soup we have two choices. For soup we have two choices. Choice 1 and choice 2. Now, now with each choice I can have choice of main dish, three choices of main dish. Right? Main dish. Main dish. So let me just write them in some other way. Main dish, three choices. Again here, main dish, three choices. Now with each choice of main dish, we will have choice of drink. How many choices of drink? Two choices of drink with each choice of main dish. So let's see drink. So, so how can we find how many of such combinations are possible? So it's simple, 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. Total choices of combination is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. So 12 combinations possible. So answer is option C.